Thank you very much, Geshuhi, for that, and all the best to the Kabrak team. And now let's reflect on what happened yesterday. And business people and traders are counting heavy losses occasioned by looting and destruction of property. In Ngong, several people were killed last night as chaos continued into the night. Our reporter Vera Mora visited Ngong this morning and now joins us with the latest from the town. Vera, good afternoon. What's going on in Ngong?
Good afternoon to you too, Noah. Indeed, I am at Ngong, specifically in Ngong town, which is under Kajiado County. With me, around me, are actually residents of Ngong town who witnessed this firsthand yesterday's protest, which was marking the 35th Saba Saba in the country. Allow me to interview a few people here to tell us exactly how this went down. But before we do that, what I have gathered so far is that 3 people have been confirmed dead due to gunshot wounds, or rather gunshots, and 9 have sustained injuries in different hospitals, and so far they have been transferred to the Kenyatta National Referral Hospital, whereby 9 are men and 1 is a woman. The 3 that succumbed due to gunshots are actually 2 24-year-olds and 1 26-year-old. We have spoken to their parents, we've spoken to their area MCA, who has indeed confirmed that the 3 men were shot during yesterday's protest right here at Ngong town in Kajiado County. Now, a lot of sentiments have been given by residents around this area regarding the yesterday's protest. Remember, Ngong has not witnessed protests in a long time, even from last year's Gen Z-led protests that were witnessed across the country. Ngong did not have such protests. But yesterday was a turn of events where we witnessed thousands, or rather hundreds, coming out just in solidarity with the Saba Saba that turned chaotic and deadly. Noah, at this point, allow me to introduce the gentleman who is standing next to me to tell us exactly where was he yesterday and what was happening in the streets of Ngong town. Karibu sana on KTN Live. Maybe you can start by telling us your name and what happened yesterday where you were here.
My name is Waidaka. I spent the whole day at home. Basically, why? Gunshots were everywhere. We hear gunshots since morning, actually until the end of the day. Gunshots. Today, I came to ask what was going on. And I hear a few people who I know. Some people died. They were shot. Why? Okay, I don't know exactly why. Well, we can discuss why.
Were you unable to access town, or perhaps were your plans hindered at that point?
Oh yes. Wanted to go to town to work, my office. Do you know a place called Shade Hotel? You could not pass there. There are barricades about Shade Hotel. You could not go anywhere past Shade Hotel. Could not get to town.
All right, perhaps we can also get sentiments from the people in charge of transport around this area, just to tell us, paint a picture to us. What happened, maybe you can stand here, maybe you can tell us what happened during the protest yesterday.
Okay, according to mimi, naomba nitumie lugha ya Kiswahili. Kama sekta ya matatu jana hatukuamka kazi, hatukufanya kazi kabisa. So tumechangiwa hasara kubwa sana. Watu kuuawa, na hiyo unapata the end of the day kuna gari za tunafanya nazo kazi ni gari za loan. Unapata kwa siku tumeenda hasara kubwa sana, kwa sababu mwenye gari kupata pesa, kama ni serikali pia kuna kitu iliingiza, kila mtu anahesabu hasara. Kama sisi wale mama wenye tuko kwa hii sekta ya matatu, unapata wewe ndio baba, wewe ndio mama, wewe ndio tegemeo. So kama jana nilijipata mpaka nikikopa 50 kwa kukuja kazi leo fair. Juu si kuingia kazi, na unapata hii kazi ya matatu tunategemea pesa ya kila siku. Sasa unapata tuliadhirika malipo kubwa sana kama society na kama Kenyans tumeumia. Mimi ningeomba kama president anaweza akatusikia, akubali tu kukaa chini na vijana waongee mambo ishe, kwa sababu imepita kiwango ya maandamano. Hii si maandamano yenye tunajua, juu wanatumia nguvu zaidi kwa kuumiza wananchi. Hasara, kila mtu hesabu hasara, kila kona, kila mtu analia. Mtu mkubwa na mtu mdogo, wote tunalia, tuko mahali pamoja. Mauaji imekuwa mingi, kilio ni mingi sana Kenya. Mungu.
Asante sana. Pengine tupate mwingine wa mwisho atufahamishe, wewe kama mwanabiashara hapa katika eneo hili la Ngong, uliathirika vipi jana?
Okay, jana tumekadiria hasara kubwa sababu jana hatukufanya kazi yoyote because maandamano ilianza saa 3 na asali as 9 obvious hapo siku inapotelea hivyo. Kulikuwa na mauaji huku, kuna watu wamekufa, kuna watu wameumia, kuna mali imeharibiwa na wizi imefanyika. So chenye tunaweza omba ni hizo demonstrations, kazi inaweza kuwa peaceful, the way wanasema ni peaceful, zikuwe peaceful zitakuwa afadhali, but kwa hasara tulihesabu hasara kubwa jana.
Pengine tupate wa mwisho kabisa atujuze, what happened yesterday, ulikuwa wapi na ilikuwa vipi?
Mimi nilikuwa tu area. But whatever happened yesterday, it's very unfortunate. As a Gen Z, I urge all the Kenyans, those who are my age, if you burn this country down, where will we live? Please let this not happen again, because nobody wins. Let's respect our leaders. If it comes 2027, we will remove them in the right way. As a fellow Gen Z, I am begging my fellow Gen Z, let's stop this. Let's not burn our country down. We do not have another country to live. Look at our future. We have a future tomorrow. If you burn the country, where will we live? Let's use the right way. When 2027 comes, register in numbers. If you're unhappy with this government, go and remove the government. But by burning other people's businesses is not good. Please, I urge you as a fellow Gen Z, let's stop this. That's all I can say. But for those who lost their lives, my condolences to the family. Those who lost their businesses, we are sorry, God is going to repay you. But my final word is, my fellow Gen Z, let's not burn this country down. It's our future. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Those have been sentiments from Ngong Town in Kajiado County. We will be here just to gather more information about what has happened in this region. Back to you in studio.
All right, thank you very much, Vera. We're with the latest from Ngong Post. Saba Saba. News desk takes a short break. We still